Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Ionization energy tables reveal the secrets of chemical bonding and formulas. We will quickly analyze these energy jumps to find the charge of element X right now. First, look at the energy values provided in the table for element X. We are searching for the largest jump between successive ionization energies to identify the valence electron count. Notice the massive increase occurs after the second ionization energy. This huge jump means element X has 2 valence electrons, giving it a stable +2 charge in this compound. Since sulfate has a -2 charge, one atom of X perfectly balances one sulfate group. This simple 1-to-1 ratio confirms that our final chemical formula is XSO4.